children, I am Vaishali madam. Today we are going to learn about comparisons. Look at these sentences. An elephant is bigger than a horse. When we compare both the animals, elephant is bigger than the horse. Look at the spelling of then. This sentence compares two animals, an elephant and a horse. Sentence number 2 says, Amit is taller than Arjun. Look at the picture of the boys, Amit and Arjun. So, Amit is taller than Arjun. Okay. And the third sentence says, a tiger is more dangerous than a wolf. Yes. When we see a tiger, we'll be scared like it's going to kill us. But a wolf is not going to kill us. Okay. Brief you, there are 3 degrees of comparison. Positive degree, where we don't compare anybody, we are just talking about the persons or the things quality. Comparative is when we compare for 2 persons or things. And superlative degree is when we compare for more than 2 people or things. So here is a table. This is an extra activity that I am teaching you, but if you don't learn this, you will not be able to proceed. When I say Smith is a tall boy, then we use tall, we are talking about only that person, so positive degree. When I compare Smith and Saloni, then I am going to talk that Smith is taller than Saloni. So tall has become ER. And when I say Smith is the tallest boy in the whole class, so that time tall will become tallest, adding EST. Okay. So hard, harder, hardest, tall, taller, tallest. Some adjectives that end with E, they are added with R for comparison and ST for superlative degree. Pure, purer, purest, large, larger, largest. Adjectives that end with Y, the Y will be removed and IER will be added in comparison and IEST in superlative. Easy, easier, easiest, happy, happier, happiest. Small words with a single consonant, for example, big, thin, they will be having their own last word second time and ER will be added. And here at the end also the last word will be added second time and EST will be added. Big, bigger, biggest, thin, thinner, thinnest. Some adjectives will have more for comparison and most for superlative degree. Important, more important, most important. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. And some will change totally. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Okay. So this is just to brief you how the adjectives will change their form when we are going to compare them. Now the blue box says, we show comparisons between 2 things by using ER form of the adjective. For example, bigger, taller. Okay. Sometimes we use more with the adjective, like more dangerous. Okay. So dangerous के पीछे ER नहीं लगाया है, dangerous के आगे more लगाया है. In these sentences, we often use then. THAN. Okay. So now let us proceed with the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjectives given in the bracket. Use then also. So then also you are going to write. It says, Burj Khalifa is dash any other building in the world. So it is Burj Khalifa is the tallest building and it's compared with any other building. Okay, but here there is a comparison with any other building. So we are going to use Burj Khalifa is taller than. Okay, any other building in the world. Number 2 says, June is dash April. June is hotter than April. See then how the spelling are changing. Okay, you have to notice the change in the spelling. The road is dash the bridge, wide, wider than, wider than. Next is, Saloni is dash her sister, young, young will become younger and then. Younger than. So again we have more sentences till 10. So this I want you all to do it on your own. Try it on your own. I will send you the correct answers. Very simple. Just change the comparison from bright to brighter, intelligent to more intelligent. Don't make it intelligenter. It is nothing like that. Heavy to heavier, neat, cheap, handsome. You're going to change all of them, and you're going to use then before it. Then coming to exercise C. Now look at these sentences. I have 3 shirts. The white one is the costliest. So now here the comparison is done between more than 2 things. There are 3 shirts. So here they have not used costlier. What is the spelling change? EST. Costliest. This sentence compares 3 shirts. The dictionary is the heaviest book. Amongst all the books, dictionary is the heaviest. It is not compared with any one book. It is compared with more than one book. So heaviest. Look at the spelling. Shilpi is the tallest girl in the class. Tallest. Amongst all the girls in the class, she is the tallest. Rohan is the most intelligent child in the class. Rohan is not compared only with Saloni. He is compared with all the children in the class. So, most intelligent is used. Now, come to the blue box. We show comparisons amongst 3 or more things by using EST form of the adjectives. You can see costliest, heaviest, tallest, most intelligent. And here we saw it was more dangerous. So more for comparative and most for superlative when comparison is with 3 or more than 3. We also use the with the EST form of the adjective. The costliest, the heaviest. So you are going to add the also. Then turn the page. Pick the correct words in the bracket. Mama bought some more interesting, most interesting books for me. So here there is no comparison. They are just talking about the books that Mama has bought. So Mama bought some interesting, only interesting is going to come. Okay, some interesting books for me. The Ganga is dash than Yamuna. So here how many things are compared? Ganga and Yamuna. They are the 2 rivers of India. The Ganga is between 2, then we are going to use ER wala comparison. Longer than Yamuna. Yes, are you getting it? Number 3 says Karthik is a dash child. Now here Karthik is not compared with anybody. Okay. We are just talking about Karthik. So Karthik is a smart child. Number 4 says Kapil got the dash marks in the class. Now Kapil's marks are compared with the whole class. Kapil got the lowest marks. EST wala comparison we are going to use. Okay. So 5, 6, 7 you do it on your own. Very simple. Just look at the given examples. How madam has solved and try to do it on your own. Number E says fill in the blanks with the correct form of the words given in the bracket. Mount Everest is the dash peak in the world. Mount Everest is compared with the peaks in the world of the whole world. Okay, so Mount Everest is the highest. High का हो जाएगा highest. Highest peak in the world. Ajay has the dash voice in our group. So Ajay's voice is compared with the voices of others in our group. So it is a group of people. So sweetest. The pink dress is dashed than the white dress. So here the pink dress is compared with white one. Okay, so only 2 things are compared. So beautiful. Now again beautiful will become more beautiful. Okay. Raghav is my dash friend. So amongst all the friends, Raghav is my good, better, best. So best friend. Karuna is a very dash girl. Very quiet girl. Similarly, you will complete this exercise. I will send you the correct answers, but you are going to try it on your own.